Wilson, and we are from Team 9. And my team members are Shiva Prasad, Aishwarya, Soumya, and Rohit Gaur. Our project is enhancing highway safety. Our project depends on how riders drive safely. Despite advancement in vehicles, technology and infrastructure, highway accidents continuously result in significant losses of life and property. The poor conditions of road and insufficient and lack of real-time traffic information contributes to these incidents. The project's aim is to explore innovative solution to enhance highway safety through improvement monitoring system, data-driven decisions makes the proactive measurements that reduces accidents risk and improves safety travels to the passenger. And the existing solutions of these projects which are explained by our teammate Aishwarya.
Good morning. My name is Shiva Prasad. I am telling about existing solution, intelligent speed assistant. It automatically controls the speed of GPS module by reducing speed accordingly. Drive alerts, warning the drivers if they over the limits of can invent need. And existing solution are geofencing technology. Virtual safety zone use GPS to create zone where certain actions like speed reducing and target automatically. Constables control authorized can define zone around schools, hospitals. Field management usage commonly used in commercial fields to enforce speed. And next existing solution are referred based speed control. Tag reduce mechanism. RFID tags in safety zones send to signals to vehicles receive automatic speed limit. Vehicle reduce speed for the signal received for the tag. And next we continue our team.
Rohit Gaur. I'm going to explain about Rohit Gaur. I'm going to explain proposal solutions. The proposal solution of our problem are we are going to use a GPS module to avoid the accidents. Our solution aims to enhance road safety by using a GPS based system to detect safety zones like schools, hospitals and accident prone areas. When vehicle enters such zones, the system automatically reduces speed and alerts the driver through a buzzer and display. Once the vehicle exits the zone, its normal speed is restored. The ensured after driving without manual used in this project are Arduino Uno, GPS module Neo 6M and motor driver 829 model, DC motor and power supply. GPS module DC and DC gear motors. GPS module reads the current latitude and longitude of the location which we insert in the GPS module. When the vehicle enters it, the vehicle slow down upon the speed which we set in the GPS module. The GPS module sends the message to the Arduino Uno. Arduino controls the motor driver. Motor driver controls the speed of the vehicle. We can continue to over 20 minutes.
Aishwarya, I'm going to explain working model of the project. Here GPS is based on detection. The GPS model tracks the location of the vehicle. Continuously compare current coordinates with the predefined safety zones. When the vehicle is entered to the safety zone, the mapped safety zones like schools, hospitals, the Arduino detects and give the signal to the Arduino Uno, sends the signal to the motor or the ESC. The time vehicle will reduce automatically speed. It gives warning to the driver by buzzer. After existing the safety zone, the speed will be restored.
My name is M. Somyasri. We are in this project. We are concluded that enhancing highway safety is critical step towards reducing traffic accidents, saving lives, and improving transportation efficiency. The implementation of advanced safety measures such as improved infrastructure, smart traffic technology, and driver confidence. Despite challenges like high initial costs and temporary disruption. During upgrades, the long-term social and economic benefits make these efforts worthwhile. A balanced approach that enhances technology, expanding the positive impact of highway safety improvements. Thank you.